Hi again everyone. We will continue our topic about the absolute extrema. A different activity, how to locate the absolute extrema of a function in a closed interval. We have here a closed interval from 0 to 4. To locate the absolute extrema, first of all, you need to derive the function. So we will derive the function here, x power 3, we draw the 3, so it is 3x, subtract 1 from the power, it is 2. Here it's 1 multiply 12, which is negative 12, and x will be cancelled. Then we will equate the derivative by 0 and solve for x. Move this negative 12 to the other side, it will be positive 12, so 3x power 2 equals positive 12. Divide by 3 for both sides, so x power 2 equals 4. Put the square root, so x will be positive or negative 2. This is supposed to be the critical number. First of all, we check these critical numbers with the interval that we have from 0 to 4. The interval is from 0 to 4. So our critical number is supposed to be belongs to this interval. Positive 2, it is here, belongs to the interval. But negative 2, it doesn't belong to the interval. So we cannot take negative 2, we'll just take 2. So here, we will do what? We'll make a table here, put here the left value, and here the right value, and at the middle we put the critical numbers. From where we put the left value? From the given closed interval. This is the left and this one the right. So here 0 is the left value for the right one for the closed interval. So here 0 and this one is 4. The critical number is only 2. We said negative 2 is refused because it doesn't belong to the closed interval. Then we will replace all these values in the original function to find the maximum and the minimum values. So I will replace x by 0 first. So it is 0 power 3 minus 12 into 0 equals 0. Then we take 2, replace it in the original function. So it will be 2 to the power 3 minus 12 into 2, which is negative 16. Then 4 again in the original function, so it will be 4 to the power 3 minus 12 into 4, which is positive 16. As we see here, we compare all these values together. Which is the least one? Negative 16. So this is the minimum value. And the greatest one is positive 16. So this is the absolute maximum value. One more question. To locate the absolute extrema, we said, first of all, derive your function. Negative x squared, so it is negative 2x, plus 3x, derive this, it is positive 3, and negative 5, the derivative is 0. Then equate this one by 0, negative 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Solve for x, so move 3 to the other side, negative 2x equals negative 3. Divide both sides by negative 2, so x equals 1.5. This one is supposed to be the critical number, but we said we should compare this one by the given closed interval. As we see here, the interval is from -2 to 1. So 1.5 is what comes after this. So here, this will be refused. We cannot take this one. So I will do my table here. The left value, the right value. What about the critical number? It is empty here. I will not take a critical number because this one is outside, doesn't belong to the closed interval. So the left value is -2 and the right one is 1. We said we're supposed to take these values and replace it in the original function. So it is negative bracket -2 to the power 2 plus 3 into -2 minus 5. Compute this one. It is -15. Then take 1 and replace it here in the original function. So -1 to the power 2 plus 3 into 1 minus 5. Compute this one, which is -3. And we see here that -15, this is the minimum value, and -3, which is bigger, so this is the maximum one. Thank you.